Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is another video on the 2019 Toyota Hilux, and it's a really simple video for you today. I'm just going to show you how to update the time on the clock in the middle of the car. Now, from what I can tell, this is the only clock that's actually on the car. There's none on the dashboard here, and there's none on the screen here. So that is our time for the whole car, and it's a really simple process to update it. So go ahead, put your key in the ignition and just turn it twice. No need to actually turn the car on. You'll see that the dash is now lit up. And then we're just going to go over to our clock, and you'll actually see it currently reads 14:08. So we've got two buttons on the right hand side, which is the hours and minutes, and then over to the left hand side we've got the 00 reset. So what that means is, instead of you going all the way through the minutes, you can just tap that once and then it restarts it back at 00. If we want to move it forward with the hours, we can just go ahead and press it once to move it forward, or you can hold it in and it will scroll through. So nice and simple. Do the same for the minutes as well, and then once you've reached your time, you just leave it like that, and then that will update. So like I say, nice easy video for you today. Sorry if it was a bit simple. If you found this video helpful or you liked it, please do give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe.